SMS marketing. About. ChatGPT can be leveraged for SMS marketing by generating clever, attention-grabbing messages that will make people want to take action. Whether you want to drive sales, build brand awareness, or simply communicate with your customers, ChatGPT has got you covered. Just tell it what you need, and watch as it cranks out clever, engaging messages that will get results. Generate the SMS to introduce a new product service to customers, involving saying how it is a perfect solution for product benefit. Create an SMS to promote the launch of a new product service line, emphasizing the unique features and benefits it offers to customers. Generate an SMS to invite customers to a special event sale, mentioning the date, time, and location and how they can benefit from attending. Create an SMS to inform customers about a recent improvement in a product service, highlighting the added value and increased efficiency it brings. Generate an SMS to offer a personalized discount on products, services, emphasizing the value and savings available exclusively to customers. Tips. Provide positive and negative examples. Providing both positive and negative examples can help the model understand your preferences and generate a more personalized response.
If you liked this video and don't want to miss the next ones, click the subscribe button and turn on notifications.